What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, RaceCon Network. First things first, if you guys are new here, please smash that sub. All you returning people, what's up? I know it's been a while. What's poppin'? Hope all of you've been well with everything that's done with you guys. So yeah, I haven't been posting, obviously. So let me explain myself a little before y'all are mad at me, whatever, this and that. My cars have both been down for a long time. So I got the 335 running finally. So the issue on this was, well, we changed the spark plugs and coils. I changed a couple different sensors on the car. We couldn't figure out anything that was wrong with the car. It still is doing a problem. I think it's an O2 sensor. So basically what happens is when it's below like 1,000 on idle, it'll start misfiring. So all me and my boy did was just turn it up, the idle, to like 1,000 RPMs, just idling, and it's been fine since then. So we're gonna go out and take some rips for you guys right now. I want to give you a little bit of update. The Camaro is at my boy's place on a lift. We put the heads and cam on, brought it to my tuner, and I didn't buy a converter for it. And making that much power in that car, you need to get a converter for it. So that kind of screwed me over. So now I'm waiting for this company to build me a converter. I think it's a 4,000 stall converter by, I forget the company. It's the best company out there. I'm blanking on the name right now. But so we're going to get out there on the road right now, and we're going to go rip for you guys in the 335 just because I got it back. I do not have my Precision Raceworks coils on there because my boy thought that might be a problem, that he didn't adjust it properly, or I forget what he said. He said he thinks he knows what might be the problem, but it wasn't that. So I'm thinking it's probably the O2 sensors that's making the issue. If any of you guys have had that problem before, when it idles, it just starts misfiring and throws codes in cylinder like 2 and 3. It's weird, but we're gonna get on the road. We're gonna do a head mount point of view for you guys. I know it's been a long time. We're just getting back into the back into the groove of things. Please smash the sub, guys. Hit that like, and let's get on with the video. Should I gap the Ferrari? What do you guys think? Damn, it sounds good as fuck. Let me open the window for y'all. I think it's straight piped. Fuck him up. I don't even know what that is. You guys drop it down in the comments below. It's an F355 Spider. That's tough. That's what it is. I bet. I hope you guys can see the speedometer maybe a little. So what we did basically was we just got the MHD app and turned the idle up, man. It's running fine. It is idling pretty high, obviously 1,000 RPM, pretty high, but fuck it. I mean, whatever works, right? We're gonna go out there, rip for you. I hope there's no cars in front of me here. I can do a little pull right here. Let me know what you guys want me to do. I'm definitely gonna go out. Oh, bet, perfect. Look at that. Just ask for it and you shall receive, right? But let me know what you guys want me to do. Oh man. For the videos standpoint, Camaro's gonna come back. I got a ton of shit coming for that. I'm gonna go out and race that thing. It's gonna be awesome. Damn. A little bumpy, but shit. Woo, it's been a while, man. It's been a while. So I do not have my coils on, like I told you, the Precision Raceworks. So obviously that's turning me down on a little bit of power. Trying to think of what else I have. I got tints coming in for the back. I'm gonna put on my splitters in the back seat right now. I'm gonna put that on for you guys in a video coming up here very shortly. Whoa. not mean to do that. Of course this person did that, bro. Don't do this at home, folks. I'm gonna do a 60 third gear pull because that's what this thing eats at. Brake boost and all. God, I missed it, that's for sure. And the crazy thing is this thing handles so much better than the Camaro does. That was roadkill. This thing handles so much better than the Camaro does. It's ridiculous. Missed the sounds on it. My bad, I'm not really talking that much either. I mean, I'm talking about, I feel like I was just talking nonsense for the past like 3 minutes. I was just enjoying it. I haven't actually ripped this thing in a long time. It's just been sitting. So in Maryland, we've been having a bunch of like ice and snow. Like it's finally actually spring now. Like finally actually spring. I can tell it's finally spring. Like it's warm. I'm in short sleeves. Like it's finally spring. I don't think we're gonna have any more cold days. I might bite my tongue on that just because who knows, you know, it's fucking Maryland. But we're gonna hop on the freeway for you guys right now. I'm gonna let this car like cool off a little because I was just kind of ripping it around. We're gonna go through a tunnel for you just to hear the blow off valve, all that. Right now I'm making right around 460 wheel horsepower. Inlets, relocated inlets. If you're full bolt on, I highly recommend inlets. They'll give you so much more power. Low pressure fuel pump, intakes, intercooler. What else we got? I'm running an E40 map on this car. Downpipes, obviously. The car is full bolt on. Pretty much everything I can do to the car on stock turbos is done to it. It's like pretty much a max effort car. I mean, obviously without pulling apart the block and stuff like that. But yeah, it's pretty much a max effort car for the stock turbos. I'm running 22 pounds of boost right now. I'm gonna get a this guy to tune me up in PA soon. He's actually one of the best tuners in the area, so we're gonna get that done. Camaro's gonna come back in 2 weeks, I give it. It's gonna be done. We put the heads and cam on. It sounds freaking ridiculous. I'm actually gonna put a clip in right now. Of the Camaro, and we'll get right back to you guys because I'm gonna cut it back on once we get on the highway. The funniest thing about wearing this head mount for you guys is the looks that people be giving me in the cars next to me and stuff. It's so funny. It just makes me laugh so hard. I'm like, yo, they're like, yo, this guy is goofy. Like, what the hell is he doing? We're definitely gonna race this car too, guys. 100% we're gonna race this car very soon. Like I said, I literally just got it back working probably last week. The Camaro's been down. It got wrapped. You guys saw a video on that. It got wrapped, and then after that, it's been down, dude. So basically, I took it to my boy's place. We did took apart the engine all the way down to the block, put it all back together, put the new heads on, put the new cam in, and we get to okay, so I didn't fly cut my pistons on the Camaro. I didn't fly cut them, so I had to get a thicker gasket, and my tuner was like, did you make sure that you, what's it called? Did you make sure that you checked the space on the new gasket? Because if one of those pistons hits the head, it's done. It's gonna fuck the car up. So he was like, make sure you go back and check that. And then I ordered that converter for you guys that I was telling you about, the stall converter. The Camaro sounds ridiculous. I cannot wait to get it back. Obviously, I know it's a 335 video, but I gotta talk about both cars because both cars are my babies, man. You know, gotta talk about both cars. This car has been giving me some headaches, but I mean, shit, it seems like it's been running fine now. Finally, I mean, about damn time. I thought I blew up the engine for a while because we were doing everything possible to get it to run properly, and it just wouldn't. Probably wasn't the brightest idea for me to shoot this video in rush hour traffic, but yeah, we're gonna make it work. All right, I lied. Obviously, I'm ahead for, I'm gonna slow down a little here. I mean, it's fucking rush hour traffic. What the fuck am I supposed to expect? Idiot. But yeah, I'm gonna go rip this through this tunnel right here. I know you guys are gonna like this. I'm gonna slow down a little so I get some space between me and them. Woof, that thing sounds nice. It's been a while, guys. I feel like this car is like, without the coils, it's definitely dropping some power though. I mean, it's a noticeable difference. I just can't wait to get the Camaro back, guys. It's been months since I've driven it. Since I uploaded my last video, I think that's probably the last time I had the car. This one was under a tarp for like a month and a half too, because it's just been down, man. I mean, I've just been kind of hibernating all winter, but I'm back. We're dropping videos weekly now. Promise you guys that. I'm gonna be popping out all types of races, everything. Yeah, I've been slacking. I'm gonna be honest, I've been slacking, guys, but I got you now. We're gonna go and do some 0 to 60 pulls. It's not gonna be anything impressive just because my car spins way too much. In the tunnel, when I had the windows open, you could hear the tires screeching, so we'll see how it does. But I just wanted to give you guys kind of a point of view of a Stage 2 Plus E40 mixture car, what you can do. I probably spent on mods total 5 grand, 4 grand, and this is what I got. So definitely, if you guys are new to this channel, I want to let you know that we are definitely going to be upgrading the turbos. I just spent like $5,000 on the Camaro, so obviously I'm gonna wait a little. I wish I was made of money, or else I'd have that content out for you guys soon as hell. But yeah, we're just gonna chill and wait and see what happens. A lot of my money's tied up in the stock market and stuff like that, so I'm kind of shit out of luck is what they say. So the 335 handles way better than the Camaro. That's one thing I noticed like a mass difference on, is like going around turns in this thing is just, it's far superior. It's crazy. 0 to 60. I'm gonna do it in second gear because I can't. Oh man, stupid, bro. Oh, Jesus. Oh. There. That was in second gear. Let's see it in first. I'm not gonna launch it as hard. God damn, bro. Alright, boys. Let me shut this. It might be in your eyes. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I know I was kind of just whipping it around. I just kind of want to show you a point of view of what it's like to own one of these. I'll come up with a lot of good ideas shortly here for videos. Obviously on the Camaro, I have tons of content coming for that. I'm just waiting for it to be done, guys. I'm just waiting for it to be done. The build took us like 3 damn days. It was a process for sure, but we got it done. We got it taken care of. I hope you enjoyed those I mean, what tires would you guys recommend me to get on this car that I would actually hook? Because I don't hook for shit. I mean, obviously it's putting down a ton of torque, so you're not gonna hook that well, but I know there's better tires than the ones I got on, man. I might have to just go radial on the car, to be honest. I'm thinking that's what I have to do in the Camaro too, because the Camaro's gonna be ridiculous. It's gonna be pushing like 600 wheel, I think. So we'll see. We're gonna dyno tune it soon, and we'll check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. We'll get back to you. Weekly videos coming out now, starting now. I promise you guys. I was off for a while from all the snow and ice and just freaking bunch of bullshit. My cars were down. I was just like, man, I'm hibernating, screw it. But I appreciate all the support for everyone that's still stuck around. Thank you for all the new subs while I was gone and not posting. See you guys this week. I'm gonna make another video this week. Fuck it. Smash a sub.